Hi everyone. I actually came up with an idea right now in my mind as I just woke up. It's I think it's Sunday the 30th, 2022. Yes it is. Anyways, January. So I was thinking about the machine, the scroll saw, and I was thinking about like a sewing machine where there's a spoil and then it just feeds the string into the fabric, right? So imagine like the cutting, there's like these little blades that they sell. But imagine them being in a spoil. Then, like from the very top or something, or from the bottom up. I'm never really sure how it will work or the best way to set it up yet. But basically, you'll put some up, you'll feed some through, like, so let's say the bottom. So you feed it up, and then you'll still have the same little dials, the little tight little, screws there to tighten the cutting blades. And then there's one at the bottom. So just that will get, and then there's a way to taunt it from the very top to make it tighter. So that will get tight. It will do its thing. It'll vibrate up and down. It goes up and down as it's cutting the piece of wood. So it's, cutting, 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 cutting. But if it breaks, then all you would have to do, because this one's going to be tight down here. So you just loosen this one and then hold it, the spoil, unloosen this one, and then bring some back up, feed it up, tying it, tying it. So instead of there being just individual little, um, you know, cutting saws, little miniature cutting saws, blades, it could be in a spoil. So what do you guys think about that? Would it be better to do that? Or would it be better? Because I know I have a scroll saw. I don't really use it a lot. But the individual little cutting blades, I think the ones that I buy have like a little T at the very top. So it could hook on the top one. And then there might be one for the bottom or not. I think it's just for the top, and then the bottom just hangs. So you could just tighten that. But then the very top, it does have the little thing, so you could make it tighter or looser. The It's like a guitar string, um, adjuster, like calibrator, that type of thing. So so yeah, that was the idea right there, honestly. And you know, they weren't really that expensive, but I just thought about, something simple, something where this stuff won't get everywhere. It'll just be, you know, it could even have like like a toolbox where you could store, your, the blades, the rolls of blades, um and have a variety, like a different blades there at all times, especially for those who like to use the machine a lot more than other people. But I'm not sure though if it's better that way or not. But I could see this working, like in the future. I could see it working digitally, where if the top blade breaks, the the computer will recognize that, and it will then bring, like, it will feed more wire up to the very top. It will tighten it itself. It'll tighten the bottom. It'll calibrate it where it will make it taut, and it'll give you like a green light, a little green light thing, a little green light flash, meaning go ahead and proceed. But if there's a little, like, say it breaks, then it'll be a little red light, like it needs maintenance. You can't continue. It's unsafe. So there will be like warnings, digitally. So, that's what I seen working. And I know a lot of people struggle. Some people struggle to put the blades on and stuff like that. And let's say you want to start a new project, but the blade has been used. It might be, kinked a little bit. All you have to do is get some cutting wires, a wire cutter, whatever, and just, cut a little bit. And then, like, get it started, put the little thing in the machine. It could have a door, like a little cabinet for you to load it. And that's where it will load any type of cutting blade that you possibly want. As a matter of fact, I did purchase a magazine. It is right here. Scroll saw, woodworking, and crafts projects for the entire family. And this is some stuff that you guys can create with it. And this is the scroll saw machine right here. At the bottom right. And there's, as you guys can see, there's a bunch of other tools that these people sell. And it's all woodworking, crafts, arts and crafts type of stuff. So, I mean, there's people build, it looks like people are building like invention prototypes out of wood. It's pretty cool. Like, you can build a lot of stuff with this machine. And yeah, like, I don't know. Like I said, I don't really know if this is a great idea or not. Or like if this is something that like that something someone will really want to do, but I think it would be a great idea. I think it'll be a super great idea for the future as well. Because right now, I mean, we could possibly make it digital with the blades, that they sell right now. And obviously that's more like universal. my idea will be like starting with a whole new machine, something digital. So, meaning the spoil blades won't be compatible with older models unless they bought the spoils, and then they were to cut, you know, blades at a certain, you know, a certain length every single time with a ruler or something. Um, then, I can see that working. But other than that, that's all I really had. So thank you all for watching. Have a great day.